Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. So place it somewhere right here, secure it tightly and don't move while you're measuring the heart rate. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now, let's continue with the measurement. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, find the heart rate icon. It looks like this, and tap on it. As you can see, the watch is already measuring the heart rate. So let's place the finger on the sensor and wait. For some reason it didn't detect my heart rate, so let's try again. So let's tap on this icon and tap here. And here we have it. Then the number will jump around, and once it settles, there should be your current heart rate. Also, you have the progression from the whole day right here, as you can see. And if you go back to the heart rate widget, you can also scroll down, check your resting heart rate if you have the more data, and also walking average. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.